So now let's do one quality check. If you did everything right, cheese is gonna be like this. Nice, smooth and creamy. Hello everybody, my name is Emre and welcome to one new video. Today I wanna show you how you can make a so incredible mac and cheese at home. First of all, what I wanna do, making some fresh macaroni. Of course you can do this recipe also with some ready pasta. I have here one egg from my chicken. And I'm gonna add more water. So 200 gram flour and 80 ml of liquid. Now I'm gonna cook them only for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, remove it from the heat. So now it's nice al dente, it's gonna cook more in the oven and with the cheese sauce more. For the cheese sauce, I'm adding half liter of milk and 1 cup of flour. I have 3 types of cheese here. It's a Gouda, cheddar and the fresh cheese what I made. If you wanna know how to make a fresh cheese, just click the link up. You can see my video. So when you start to add the cheese, always add first the hard one, after it's coming to soft. I'm using a cheddar cheese because it's so nice, intensive cheese flavor. After that I am also adding the Gouda. And when Gouda start to melt, I'm adding the homemade fresh cheese. So now let's do one quality check. If you did everything right, cheese is gonna be like this. Nice, smooth and creamy. Add the pasta inside. Mix it nice together. Now it's going to the oven tray. Now I'm doing also some breadcrumbs from my leftover breads. Break it inside. Blend it once and that's all. I'm adding the breadcrumbs, 1 slim layer. So cover it everywhere. Now it's going to the oven, 200 degrees, till it's getting up nice golden brown. So after half hour in oven, it's ready to serve. guys, thanks for watching. This was my mac and cheese recipe. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video. Goodbye.